Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Create a Flutterflow account and sign in using email or Google within 5 minutes. Click Create New Project and choose a template or start from a blank project. Name your project and pick a mobile or web platform to match your target platform. Enable AI features in project settings and save before continuing to design screens. Set up Firebase if you want backend services, or skip for local UI testing only. Open a screen and select an AI-driven widget or a text field and choose Generate. Enter a prompt describing layout, copy, and behavior, then click Generate to insert components automatically. For example, request a login form with email, password, and a Submit button with validation. Edit generated widgets, adjust padding, set colors, and wire actions in the Actions panel. Use Preview to test interactions instantly and iterate until the UI meets your needs. Add actions to buttons, set navigation rules, and connect to Firebase or local mocks. Define backend calls, map API responses to widgets, and configure state management for dynamic lists. Use Test Run to click through flows, fix errors, and verify authentication and data rights. Adjust mobile settings like app icon, launch screen, and permissions before building. Export code or build with Flutterflow's Builder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.